Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to talk about fundamental of algorithm and computer problem solving. So, meet our team. My name is Muhammad Danish Shafi bin Yusuf. My teammate is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Azimi and Luqman Al-Hakim bin Abu Bakar. So, we do the sport center management for the introduction. Sport are a great way to help to keep in shape and improve social connection, yet they are common in ignored in today's society. We did some research and found that the problem for most people are little uneasy and stressed for time while making reservation at the sports center, and some do not even know how to do it. Therefore, in order to make it simpler for people to make online booking, Royal Delta Sports Center objective is to create user-friendly application. This is made it easy for client to reserve any of the 10 different spot that provided at a fair price with the highest level of care. Customer can pay with cash or with a credit card by simply entering their personal data. By creating this system, user may save a great deal of time and make more informed decision. Next. For the analysis, when we go to the input, we put the name, email, phone number, date, type of spot, number of court, time of start renting, ending of time renting, way to make payment. For the process, we put the calculate the duration of renting and calculate total cost. For the output, we put name, email, phone number, date, type of spot, number of court, duration of renting, way to make payment, and total cost.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Luqman Hakim. I will present in show flowchart and show. Okay, now this is flowchart. First, system is starting with start, then system will display welcome to Royal Data Sports Center. First booking, check out about us, and enter number 2 continue. If you choose number 1, system will display booking. Then we need to input full name, phone number, and email. Then system will display spot list. Then this is a loop that has 10 spots that we need to choose one of the numbers. Then the system will display just a number of spots that you want to book. Then system will display booking. Then system will calculate the total fee. Then system will display payment method. Then system will display receipt. And last, system will display do you want to edit your booking. If you choose yes or true, system will go back to the number 1 and display the booking. If you choose false, system will end. If you choose number 2, system will display about us. Then system will display back to the main. And if you choose a wrong number, system will display please enter available number. Now this is to the code. This is start, and then this is input. Start from if num assign 1. This is process. Start from display receipt. This is output, and yeah, this is end. That's what I told in the flowchart. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Today I will talk about our source code from our project, starting from our library. This is the library, as you can see, and this is our global declaration. Stream name, num phone, email display, entity name, and others. This is our function prototype, and this is the main function. In our main, this is the local declaration, and the system will display the sports center name, our sports center, which is Royal Data Sports Center. This is the intro, booking, about us, input, and so on. This is the system to clear the screen using system CLS. if user enter number 1, system will loop using the while loop. Okay, user will enter name, phone number and email. And this is our array. This is our call from a function. If the user enter number 2, it will display about us function. Else if it will display please enter a variable number. So for our definition, number 1 is our function to go to back to main. This is the function back to home, yeah, basic program. So but if the user enter the wrong number, it will display program error. Number 2, function, our function to definition to display about us. This is our void for about us. Number 3 is the booking system. In booking system we have football, rugby, swimming pool, takraw, badminton, volleyball, futsal, basketball, handball, tennis. But if user enter the other number, it will display and please enter a variable number. But there are sport that using code and sport that doesn't use code, which is like 1 to 3 they doesn't use code, so only we have 1. So in 4 to 10 we have they can display how many code that they want. So after that, user will enter date, time start and time end. So and it will return to number spot. So for calculate total cost, is our calculation. Calculate hour. In user start at daytime and end at daytime, because there is difference between the price at day and night. So this is our calculation. But if user enter number less than 8 or bigger than 23, it will display time not available and will return to total fee. 5 is our payment method using array. Display all payment method using if method 1, that's method 0 like here. But else if the user input the wrong number other than this, it will display please enter a variable number. Okay, last one is our receipt. After all of above, the system will display so clear screen and display this receipt for the user. Display all name, phone number, email, sport, created, due date, time, day price, night price, total cost, price per cost, payment method, and lastly it will display the total cost the user need to pay. Thank you. Okay, to continue from the code that I present just now, this is our selection control structure. Starting with selection control structure. Okay, this is also our selection control structure. This is 2. This is the repetition control structure using do while loop. This is our function call. This for loop to show spot array. This function, this is declare the function, and second this is calling. This function for user. This function call. This is also function call. And this is our definition. The first is one is function to go to back to main. Second is function to bait, that display about us. Third is booking system. It's all. And this is our calculation. We'll calculate total cost. This is the payment method. This is the receipt. And this is our array.
Okay, from the detail of output, when the user run the program will display two options for the user, and they need to choose whether they want to booking or learn about the company. If user enter the number 1, program will go to the booking, but if user enter 2, program will show about the company. If user enter other than number 1 or 2, program will display please enter available number and exit the program. Next, if user enter 2, program will display about the Royal Delta Sport Center. Then program will display function back to main that display two options for user. Number 1 to go back to the main page, and the number 0 to exit the program. Other number then that will make the program display program error and exit the program. Next, after the user enter number 1, program will ask user to enter their personal information such as name, phone, number, and their email. Next, when to choose spot list, program will display all spot available at the aesthetic sport center and will ask user to input the number that has been assigned to the spot. Program will display day price and night price, since there are some spots that have different price when day and night. If user choose spot that require code, user can book more than one code. Then user need to enter the date of arrival, time start and time end. Since available time start at 8 to 11, if the user enter time start less than 8, then time and more than 11, program will display time not available and go to the function back to main. If all input is true, program will go to the function calculate to calculate total cost. Next, program will display total cost and all payment method. The user need to enter the number of payment method to continue. If the input is wrong, program will display times not available and go to the function back to main. As you can see, program will go to the function receipt and display customer into such as a username, phone number, and email. Booking detail will show the user choice spot, date, time, with total hour and time user booking. Payment detail and total cost will be shown at the end of receipt. After that, program will ask whether user want to edit the booking. While user enter the letter Y, program will go back to the booking page. Other than that, it will exit the program. That's all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.